This is Libero, a bulk carrier vessel. She can be seen here anchored at the entrance to the Thames Estuary, just off the North Kent coast in the United Kingdom, awaiting orders. As we look into the vessel's history, it is listed that Libero is not the original name for this vessel. Originally she was named Staplemore, however in 2020 she was renamed to Libero. Over the years, very few modifications have been required to keep up with the demands of the shipping world's bulk carriers. She has the ability to carry cargo both on deck and within her cargo hold. Libero measures in at 88 meters in length and 12 meters wide. Although she is slightly smaller than some of our regular bulk carriers we have seen on the channel so far, she is a more than capable vessel, having been entrusted with the delicate transportation of some of Europe's nuclear fusion radial plates back in 2017 from France to Italy. She is of Slovakian heritage, having been manufactured by SLOVENSKE LODENICE in KOMARNO, Slovakia. Interestingly, Slovakia is a landlocked country in Eastern Europe. This may come as a surprise, given they are able to manufacture ships whilst being so far from the ocean. Newly manufactured ships are launched into the Danube River, which then passes through Hungary, Croatia, Serbia, Romania, Bulgaria, Moldova and Ukraine before entering the Black Sea. Libero can be seen here proudly flying the dark red and white flag of Latvia. Her home port is also the capital of Latvia, Riga. Originally manufactured in 2006, it's safe to say she has had her fair share of journeys, being a workhorse for the last 23 years. During our time learning about Libero, we have discovered that it is very difficult to find much information with regards to this vessel. We would love to know more and wonder if any of our trusty viewers could perhaps spread some light on the cargo she carries or anything else interesting about this ship. Please feel free to share any information in the comments section below. Once again, we hope you enjoyed Libero as much as we did filming it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ships. We've got 2 new ships on the channel every week. Until next time.